everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning my room part 2 as we're going to be dusting off my My Little Pony collection and cleaning that all up. So please remember to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. This is what I'm going to be cleaning today. I'm going to dust off all my ponies here and reorganize them and things. I don't think I'll be doing these 2 upper shelves because I've got a cold and I'm really tired. But yeah, it should be really fun and exciting. So yes. Boop bop boop bop. Boop beep bop boop bop boop. La 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 la. La. So I went ahead and got started. I took the ponies off the ponies and the pony things off of my dresser. And I put them on the floor to get ready to dust them. Here is my first My Little Pony I ever got. Her name is Bowtie and she's super cute. I got her as a kid. And she's so sweet. So, yeah. Look at the amount of dust. Ew, that's disgusting. Must clean. Glitter ponies. These ones are really cool. Scootaloo! Whee! Wonder if you guys know what a VHS is. It's like DVDs before DVDs, and this is a Starcatcher one. Breezies! A bundle of breezies! Look at the dust. Oh my god. Don't mind them just having some ice cream on the top. Shine on, Lily Lightly, shine on. Also, don't get so dusty. The kawaii-ness is taking over my room. Oh no. Okay, now that everything is on the floor, we are going to dust things off. And I'm going to go put this blanket in the wash, because it's probably covered with dust and things too. Here we go. So we're going to put this in here. Woo! So we're going to put the blanket in there. And I'm going to put my face mask in there too, because it's good to clean your face masks. Then I went ahead and took some wood cleaner and wiped down my dresser as it didn't have any dust, but it's good to keep it clean and safe because the blanket was on it. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and start with the ponies. We're going to use some microfiber cloths to remove any dirt, especially for the rare and unique and electronic ones. And, yeah. This one was one of my favorites growing up. This was one of my original ponies from Unicornia. I'm such a geek. Did you guys hear about that owl that got stuck in the Rockefeller Christmas tree? Oh, he was so cute. I saw that on the news this morning. Are you guys excited for Christmas? Please tell me what you're most excited about in the comments below. Yep. I got some comments saying that I should stop talking in kawaii voice. Alright, I'll talk in death metal voice. Ow. Yes. Okay, I'll stop. I understand that my kawaii voice can be annoying sometimes. Look how big and beautiful her eyes are. Oh, oof. Girl, I told you you had too much hot chocolate. I'm like halfway there. My floor looks like Ponyville. I'm gonna just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I've also got the radio on, listening to some groovy vintage tunes. It's on commercials right now. I'm almost done. Now the question is, does the Scootaloo scooter work? Let's find out. Now, let's insert the pony into her car that I just cleaned. Hey, get your butt in there. This is okay. And what? No. And go. 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 Ah, the joy of collecting old toys. It probably needs new batteries. I think I'll just take the batteries out though, because what am I gonna do? Just play with this the whole time? I'm a goof. So now I'm gonna clean off all these little accessories and then get to my bigger ponies and just continue to clean other things. So yeah. This was one of my favorite pieces as a kid. You know why? You take a magnetic pony. Here we go. You take a magnetic pony and you put her magnet right there, and it opens up the little makeup and drawers. Guess that's where my dream for makeup and Princess Vanities came from. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my big ponies, because they have a lot of dust on them, as you can see. These are so cool. I love the styling ponies. You know, a funny fact about these ponies is they never, you know how they made small ones for the big styling ponies? Like Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie, they never made a small one for this pony. I believe in the film Runaway Rainbow, this was Rarity's teacher. And I have a big Rarity too up on the upper shelves. I just didn't want to clean that today because this is already enough. But yeah, she's just, they never made a smaller version of this one, which I found to be very interesting. It's time to clean the castle. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with some paper towels and water because I don't want the glitter to go away, as this is a really cool piece. But you ready? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. 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 Oh, why do I have my toys broken because they're so old? Bibbidi bobbidi boop. One moment, please. I have to frickin' exchange the batteries. Hold on. Now I've got the batteries in. You ready? 3, 2, 1. So yeah, let's go ahead and start dusting it. Time to party! Da 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 da. Woo! Boo boo boo! Bappy bappy! Da 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 da! Oons. Dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. Babadi 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 babadi. Dancing with my sheesh. It's now nice and clean, ready to be put back up. Now to clean these last 2 pieces, and I think we're ready to go. Yeah. So my lights, they busted a fuse. So I'm gonna have to wait to get new lights. But I'll just finish setting up what's behind me without lights. Oh well. But yeah, bye-bye lights. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is the next day. It looks really nice. Wondering if I should add some feather boas and some more lights. I don't want it to catch on fire because that's bad, but yeah, just make it super extra and super kawaii. So yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all later. Bye!